Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Google Workspace for user provisioning and apps, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin installing Google Workspace for user provisioning and apps, you need to access the Google Admin Console. Open your web browser and navigate to admin.google.com. Sign in with your admin account credentials. Once logged in, locate the Users section in the dashboard. Click on Users to view your organization's user list. In the user list, select the user you want to provision. If the user does not exist, create a new user by clicking on the Add a User button. Fill out the required information for the new user. Next, set up application access for the user. Navigate to the Apps section in the Admin Console. Click on Google Workspace to view available apps. Select the app you would like to provision for the user. In the app settings, identify the user access settings. Click on Manage User Access to assign apps to the selected user. Adjust the permissions as necessary to fit your organization's requirements. Be sure to enable the provisioning options if available. After configuring the settings, click on Save to apply the changes. You may want to go back to the user list to review the user's assignments. For bulk provisioning, consider using a CSV file to add multiple users at once. Prepare your CSV file with the necessary user details. Return to the Users section and look for the Bulk Upload Users option. Upload the CSV file containing the user data. Follow any prompts to complete the bulk upload. Once done, review the status of the uploaded users. If any errors occurred, the Admin Console will provide feedback for corrections. After provisioning users, ensure to communicate login details and access instructions. Test the access for a sample user to confirm everything is functioning as intended. Finally, monitor the user activity through the Google Admin Console. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.